If what you want to sell isn't in our product catalog yet, don't worry. We will show you how to create a new product when listing your item to make listing similar ones quicker and easier in the future. Click the link in the description to find out how to list an item that is already in our product catalog. Go to your Allegro account and switch the language to English. Click Sales and then choose List Using Form. Enter the product name or code. The more specific, the better. If you can't find a product that matches yours, click Continue without selecting the product. First, choose the right category based on our suggestions or choose one manually. Now, add your offer's title. Remember to use Polish and don't go over the 50-character limit. Add a reference number if you want. You need to fill out all the basic parameters to create a product in our catalog. An EAN code is very helpful but not obligatory to have in all offers. Basic parameters may vary depending on category. In this case, brand is a basic parameter. If you can't find yours on the list, please select Other. If you do choose Other in any basic parameter, make sure to provide information about it in the next field. If you don't do that, we won't create a product based on this offer. Add other important parameters. Generally, the more, the better. This will make sure your customers have all the information they need to make a purchase and position your offers higher on the listing. Add any other custom parameters and then choose product photos. You can add up to 16. The first one will be the thumbnail. Add the product description. There's a few layouts to choose from, and you can mix them however you want. One line can be text only. The next could be a combination of text and photo, for example. If you have a Polish instruction manual or other helpful document, you can optionally attach it. Choose the sales format. Most offers on Allegro use the Buy Now format. Now, you can type in the price in Polish zloty and the item quantity. You can decide if you want your offer to be active until it's out of stock or to run for a defined period of time. Now it's time to choose the shipping price list template and set the dispatch time. The buyer will see the full delivery time in your offer. Any other important information about deliveries can be added here. Make sure to change the offer's place of dispatch if you're sending it from outside of Poland. Next, choose the right refund, complaint, and, optionally, warranty templates. You can find out more about completing those items in our other tutorials. If you or your carrier can offer any additional services, you can add a template of those services. Remember to only do so if you can always offer those services to the buyers who choose them. Last but not least, you can optionally promote your offer. Choose Feature if you want your offers to appear higher on the listing. You can pick a 10-day package or a flexible feature. To make the offer stand out even more, choose the Promo package or the Promote on the Category page option, available in some categories. Choose when you want the item to be listed. Make sure to leave this check mark on to create a new product in our database. Check your fee summary and preview your offer before listing it. If you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and list it. This is the summary screen, where you can see if the offer was added successfully. Additionally, you can check if it was also added to our product catalog. If you made any mistakes that prevented it, you'll see a short explanation here. You can also list a similar or new item.
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.